Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this fucking video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate template, fully responsive and totally free, and it is in React.js, Next.js, with admin section as well, like add property section. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful real estate template homes. See top section, multiple home pages. See just brilliant. Beautiful top section, the beautiful search, buy, rent, sold, advanced search fancy. Again, I must say it's in Next.js, React.js, and here the others explore the apartment types. See friends, houses. See with beautiful filters. See guys, houses. Scroll to top and back to home. Difference. Multiple categories like apartments, see, and offices, see guys, and you'll see the more things like see how we Hilton can help. See, discover a feature listing sections, events, see all the properties, see all the property pages, see friends, and filter as well, more filters, see, and what we'll see the more, and guys, we will have the casual as well, property by cities, see friends, beautiful casual, beautiful section. Let's find the right selling option for you. See friends. Discover property. See for sales, for rent as well. See people loving with reaction. See testimonials from a blog section and see a beautiful footer section. Scroll to top and here the multiple home pages. See guys, home page second, third, fourth. See, friends, just beautiful, beautiful tabbing as well. And multiple listing pages, listing default. See, four column listing with and banner search. See guys, the multiple things, the map as well. See, side map, header map. See fans, and this type as well. Property pages, agents, single property page. See guys, a single property page, multiple types as well. Also the dashboard, like dashboard home. I will open next. See, dashboard home, message, add new property section. See guys, media, location details, these, see my properties, see friends, my favorite property, save search and reviews as well, add property form as well, see, and blog page, blog listing, two, so guys multiple pages as well. Here the about us page, the contact page, beautiful, compare page, friends, pricing page, Just beautiful. FAQ, login page. Wow. Yes. Login and new account page as well. We see the beautiful real estate homes template in React.js, Next.js. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. My blog, therichpost.com, is contact and advice page. In this page, you will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. See, and guys, also I'm full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to contact me anytime. And you can also hire me hourly basis as well. So guys, please stay tuned and please subscribe my channel and please support me for more free templates as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.